Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn properties of linear inequalities. Properties of linear inequalities. There are 6 properties of linear inequalities. Means if we add a number, what will be the effect on the sign of inequality? There are 6 properties of linear inequalities. When appropriate, we will illustrate with real life examples of properties of inequalities. First property is belong to the addition. Let x, y, and z represent real number. Any real number may be a positive or a negative number. Addition property of a number is if x is less than y and we add the same number on both the side of the linear inequality, x plus z is less than y plus z. The sum of x plus z is also less than y plus z. Now let's see the real life example. If suppose Sarah's weight is less than Javeria weight, then Sarah's weight plus 4 is less than Javeria weight plus 4. If we add 1 plus 4 on both the sides, for example, if 1 is less than 4, the 1 kg is the weight of Sarah and the 4 kg, 1 is less than 4, then 1 plus 6 is less than 4 plus 6, and both the side we add as number 6, so the sum of the number is also less than the sum of the number on the left side of the inequality. 1 plus 6 7 and 4 plus 6 10. Now 1 plus 6 is less than 7 is less than 10. So if we add a number both the side, we found the inequality sign will remain same. Same thing is happened in greater than sign. Suppose if x is greater than y, then x plus z is greater than y plus z. Let's see the example. 4 is greater than 2, then 4 plus 5 is greater than 2 plus 5. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 is greater than 7. So, if a number is less than any other number, the sum of the number is also less than the sum of the other number, the sum of the second side of the number. Y x less than y, so x plus z is less than y plus z. Now, if x is greater than y, then x plus z is greater than y plus z, means the inequality sign will remain same. If the greater sign is given in the question, the after solution, the greater than sign is given in answer. The inequality sign will remain same in both the cases. Either the less than sign is given or the greater sign is given. Now let's see the subtraction example. Subtraction property. If x is less than y, then x minus z is less than y minus z. Subtraction is the inverse operation of addition. So subtraction follows the same rule as the addition property. If x is less than y, the difference of x minus z is less than y minus z. Suppose Sarah's weight is less than Javeria weight, then Sarah's weight minus 4 less than Javeria weight. If we subtract minus 4 both the side, so we get the difference of the Sarah's and minus 4 is less than Javeria weight, difference of the Javeria weight minus 4. For example, if 4 is less than 8, then 4 minus 3 is less than 8 minus 3. If we add minus 3 on both the sides, or subtract plus 3 on both the side, we can say. So if we subtract plus 3 on both the side of the inequality, we found the same sign of inequality. 4 minus 3, 1. 1 is less than 5. So if x is greater than y, if x is greater than y and we subtract same number on both the side, so we found the inequality sign will remain same. X minus z is greater than y minus z. The sign of inequality will remain same in both the cases. Either we are doing addition or subtraction. Now, for example, 8 is greater than 3, then 8 minus 2 is greater than 3 minus 2. If we subtract 2 from both these sides, 8 minus 2, 6, 3 minus 2, 1. 6 is greater than 1. True sentence. Now, multiplication property. Multiplication property in inequality. If x is less than y and z is greater than 0, Yani if we multiply a number which is greater than 0, and the greater than 0 means the number is positive. If we multiply a positive number on both these sides, the condition is given x is less than y. If x is less than y and we multiply, sorry, sorry for interruption. If x is less than y and z is greater than 0, z means z is any other number which are multiplying on both these sides. We are going to multiply by z to the given inequality. Then x multiplied by z is less than y multiplied by z. If the z is a positive number means the number is greater than 0. Z is greater than 0. Suppose 2 is less than 5, then 2 multiplied by 10 is less than 5 into 10. If we multiply the whole inequality by 10, so 2s are 20, 20 is less than 50. So this will be true. The property is satisfied, and sign of inequality will remain same when the number is positive. If we multiply by a positive number to the given inequality. Let's see the example. If x is, notice that z is equals to 10 and 10 is greater than 0. If x is greater than y and z is greater than 0, then x multiplied by z is greater than y multiplied by z. Same thing is happening in the greater than side. If less than sign is given, so sign of inequality will remain same in the case of multiplication, or if the greater than sign is given in the question, so the greater than sign will remain same when the number is greater than 0. The greater than 0 means positive number. If we multiply by a positive number to the given inequality, x multiplied by z is greater than y multiplied by z. Suppose 20 is greater than 10, then 20 multiplied by 2 is greater than 10 multiplied by 2. If we multiply by 2 on both these sides, 2 is a positive number, so sign of inequality will remain same. Now if x is less than y, now let's see the second condition. If x is less than y, but in now if z is less than 0, in first condition z is greater than 0 means z is a positive number. Now if z is less than 0 means z is a negative number. If z is a negative number and we multiply our inequality by a negative number, what will happen? What will be happened? X into z greater than y into z. Now in this condition, sign of inequality will change. Less than sign change into greater than sign. How this is possible? If 2 is less than 5, suppose a number 2 is less than 5 and we multiply by a negative number on both these sides, minus 4 multiplied by 2 and minus 4 multiplied by 5. So 2 multiplied by minus 4 is minus 8 and minus 4 multiplied by 5 is minus 20. Minus 8 is greater than minus 20 or minus 8 is less than minus 20. If we put same sign, less than sign, which is given in the condition, if we use same sign, we put same sign here. So we found a false sentence. So minus 8 is greater than minus 20. How can we make our sentence true? If we put greater than sign, we invert the sign of inequality. If the less than sign is given, we will change into greater than sign, or if the greater than sign is given, we will change into less than sign when a number is negative and a negative number is multiplied by the given inequality. Suppose if x is greater than y and z is less than 0. Yeah, if x is greater than y, z is less than 0 means z is a negative number, then x multiplied by z is less than x into z. After multiplication, the sign of inequality greater than is changed into less than sign. Let's see more examples. Suppose 5 is greater than 1, then 5 multiplied by minus 2 is less than 1 multiplied by minus 2. Minus 2 multiplied by 5 is minus 10, and minus 10 is less than minus 2. So the sentence will be true. If we use greater than sign, so the condition will false. So the sign of inequality should be changed after multiply a negative number. Okay. Now let's see more condition. Same thing is division property. Division is the inverse operation of multiplication. So the same property or the same rule is followed in the division property. It works exactly the same way as multiplication. If x is less than y and z is greater than 0, then x divided by z is less than y divided by z when the z is a positive number greater than 0. If z is a positive number, the sign of inequality will remain same, which is given in the condition. If x is less than y, then x divided by z is less than y divided by z. Suppose 2 is less than 4, then 2 divided by 2 is less than 4 divided by 2. Same thing is x is in the case of x is greater than y, x is greater than y, then z is greater than 0. Z is greater than 0 means z is a positive number. Then x divided by z is greater than y divided by z. Suppose 20 greater than 10, then 20 divided by 5 is greater than 10 divided by 5. Now let's see the second condition. If the number z is less than 0 means a negative number. If x is less than y, then x divided by z is greater than y divided by z. Now if we dividing in the whole inequality by a negative number, then sign of inequality, which is less than here, is changed into greater than sign. Understand? If the sign of inequality is less than, so after division, the sign of inequality should be changed into greater than sign. Suppose 4 is less than 8. 4 divided by minus 2 is greater than 8 divided by minus 2. And minus 2 is greater than minus 4. So the sentence will be true if we change the sign of inequality. Otherwise, we found a false sentence. Same thing, if x is greater than y, if the less than sign is change into greater than sign, the condition is if x is greater than y and z is less than 0, then x divided by z is less than y divided by z. Suppose 5 is greater than 1, then 5 divided by minus 1 less than 1 divided by minus 1, and minus 5 is less than minus 1. Now you can understand by more explanation multiplying by a negative number. The sense of inequality is reversed if both sides are multiplied or divided by the same negative number. Now same thing I am going to repeat here because this is a difficult topic, or you can more focus to this slide. This will be helpful to you if you revise your whole lesson. So this slide will more helpful to your people. We start with inequality. 4 is greater than minus 2. Now 4 is greater than minus 2. Multiplying both the side minus 3 gives minus 3 multiplied by 4 is greater than minus 2 multiplied by minus 3. Condition, what will be the condition? 4 is greater than minus 2 and we are multiplying minus 3 on both the side. Minus 3 multiplied by 4 is greater than minus 2 multiplied by minus 3. 4 multiplied by minus 3 greater than minus 2 multiplied by minus 3. We are not changing the sign here. Let's see what happened. minus 12 is greater than plus 6. Minus minus plus 6. 2 3 is 6. Minus 12 is greater than plus 6. Is this a true sentence? No, this is a false sentence. And how can we make it true? If we change the inequality sign, if we change the sign of inequality into less than sign, so minus 12 is less than 6. So if we don't change the sign of inequality, so the given sentence will be a false sentence, which is not required. We required a true sentence. So how can we make it true? If we change the sign of inequality into less than sign. Maybe this will be helpful for you. Transitive property. The next property, addition, multiplication, operation property, not transitive property. This property we have done in real number, property of real number. If x is greater than y and y is greater than z, or same property we use in equation. If x is greater than y and y is greater than z, then x is greater than z. If x and y two real number and x is greater than y and y is greater than another number z, then x will be greater than z. For example, if 10 is greater than 5 and 5 is greater than 2, so 10 is greater than 2. If x is less than y and y is less than z, then x is less than 10. For example, if 5 is less than 10 and 10 is less than 20, then 5 is less than 20. Okay. Trichomy property of inequality. Trichomy property. The property of trichomy states that when any two numbers are compared, if we have any two real number, if we have, there are only three possible outcomes. Three possible outcomes means the first number is smaller than the second number. Both the numbers are equal. The second number is smaller than the first number. Now, there is no fourth possibility. These three possible answers we can find. Otherwise, there is no fourth option we have. Suppose if A and B are two real numbers, A and B are two real numbers, so A may be less than B, or A is greater than B, or A is equals to B. And we don't have the fourth option, A is less than or equals to, no, A is less than B, A greater than B, or A equals to B. This is the property of real number which is followed in linear inequality. If we are dealing with the linear inequality, so addition and subtraction of the number, we found number is less than, greater than, or equals to. These three possible answers we can find. Now, this is a summary of the lesson, properties of inequality. Let x, y, and z be real numbers. Addition property, x is less than y, then x plus z is less than y plus z. Sign of inequality will remain same. In case of addition and subtraction, if x is less than y, then some difference of x minus z is less than y minus z. Multiplication property, if x is less than y and z is greater than 0, then xz is less than yz. Or if x is less than y but z is less than 0, less than 0 means negative number, then the product of xz is greater than yz. The sign of inequality in this condition will be changed into greater than sign. If the less than sign is given, it will be changed into greater than sign, or if the greater than sign is given, the sign of inequality will change into less than sign. Division property, the same rule as the multiplication rule. If x is less than y, z is greater than 0, then x divided by z is less than x divided by y divided by z. Sorry, this is not the correct way. If x is less than y and z is less than 0, the same thing is happening. X divided by z is less than y or greater than y divided by z. Transitive property, if x is less than y and y is less than z, then x is less than z. Comparison property, if x is equals to y plus z and z is greater than 0, then x is greater than y. We can compare. If z greater than 0, so x is equals to y plus z means x will be greater, x is greater than y. Now let's see the summary of the lesson. This is the summary of the lesson. Thank you so much. This would be helpful for you if you want to understand. So you watch the video 2 to 3 times and note down your keep the pencil and notebook with you, so you can note the important point, and whatever what you follow and what will be is not if you have any problem, sorry, if you have any problem, you can discuss in Zoom online classes. Okay, thank you so much.